All right, guys, coming from the Fred Howard Beach. We got these cool guys. Look at them. Go over there. Got some seagulls. And I don't know what these things are. But they're pretty cool. Pretty cool. But it's really windy today. And not a lot of people on the beach. But the birds aren't really afraid at all. Yeah, so we are in Florida. And yeah, look at this. It's like a beautiful day. Got some palm trees. Look at all the palm trees there. Tons, but it's super nice. The sand's beautiful. Whole bunch of shells here. And we're gonna come over here. See what's going on. Love the palm trees though. So it's about 23 degrees Celsius. And we're like essentially right on the point. Exposed rocks or subsurface rocks. Look at that there. Look at the water. A little bigger than my pond. But yeah, there's for those funny birds earlier. I'll post a clip right here. So here are these birds again. They just kind of hang out. And I have no clue what they are. Like, look at them. They see me. Like, this guy. Like, they just hang out. It's amazing. Just hang out. And they don't move. They're just like, right? Like the wind is literally going this way and they're pointed exactly the same way. But there's some beach rentals. Apparently this beach is normally a lot busier, but it's actually quite cool. These are some sort of like seagulls. Some sort. These guys are a little different. So, but yeah, that's pretty awesome. Pretty funny, eh? Look at these rocks. They're huge, huge, and it's like beautiful stone. I love this in the pond. So on the other side, we have these guys who are parasailing, and they are just giving it. Like, it's really windy, so it's fantastic actually, just watching them. And it's actually really nice. The water's nice in here. The beach is actually super nice in terms of it's pretty clear. It's not very dirty. It's pretty quiet here. Just all these dudes, look at them there. You see them up in the air? Oh, normally they landed. They've been really good. Here goes another guy. This guy here. There you go. Getting great air. All right, guys. So, just thought I'd give you a little taste of this beach. It's pretty amazing. So, again, like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I might be posting other videos. All right? Have a great day.